Hey guys, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the TricLED run, brake, and turn signal LED accent lighting strip for the Can-Am Spyder F3. Increase rider safety and enhanced looks with this 3-in-1 safety LED lighting strip for the Can-Am Spyder F3. This LED lighting strip is encased in a sleek smoke protective strip and accents the rear deck of your Spyder F3, F3S, increasing visibility for the vehicles behind you. Now this product features an OE style harness for a simple plug and play installation, allowing this LED strip to be used as a running light, brake light, and even allows for independent turn signal functionality. So now follow me as I walk you through the installation process.
To start, remove the passenger seat by pushing the key down and turning it to the right. This will unlock the seat so that you can lift it up and off. Turn the seat upside down so that you can unhook the safety tether. And then unscrew the other end of the tether connected to the bike. Now remove these 7 bolts located here. Then disconnect the reverse light plug here, which will now allow you to pull out the reverse light completely. Be sure to thoroughly clean the surface area before installing, and for proper adhesion, make sure you install with a surface temperature between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, break loose your primer stick and apply multiple coats to where the LED strip will be adhered to. Test fit your LED strip by placing it on top of the rear deck lid along the back edge. Now peel off only half of the protective backing tape, align the strip evenly, and then slowly and carefully press it down into place. And then do the same for the other half. Now disconnect this plug, go into the right hand side taillight, and then take the new harness from the kit and re-plug it back in. And do the same for the other side. Next, take this harness and connect the red wire into the white, and then the yellow wire into the orange, and do the same for the other side. Now connect the little extensions to the LED strip.
Okay, so this is the part in the instructions where it's telling you to drill a hole in the panel to fit the wire through. I've never really been a fan of drilling holes into my body panels, but I was able to figure out a nice clean way of doing this. This section where the 2 panels clamshell together, take a drill bit and only drill out a half moon section so that the wire can fit through without being pinched by the 2 panels.
Then carefully tuck them into the housing and through this small hole under the seat. Then you're going to take the maroon wire from the extension and plug that into the other side of the clear terminal block and push the orange tab down to lock it in place. Next, you can take the blue wire and crimp a bullet connector from the kit onto the end so that you can plug the last remaining black connector onto the harness. And then repeat for the other side. Once everything is connected, go through and carefully tape up all your connectors with electrical tape, and make sure they're all safe and secure up and out of the way. Now you can reinstall your reverse light. Bolt everything down back into place. Including your seat's safety tether. Before reinstalling the seat.
And that's really all there is to it. Now, if this product seems right for you, head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Can-Am Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. We'll see you on the road. Increase rider safety and enhance looks with this 3-in-1 safety LED lighting strip, allowing this LED strip to be used as a running light.